Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Moukhata or Ba Khamri. It is the Yemeni version of the beignets. If you're familiar with those, they are very popular here in the south and everyone loves them, and they're usually heavily dusted in sugar, but I'm not making mine with dusted sugar, although that is an available option. This is a popular breakfast in Yemen, and as you can see, the dough is simple. For this particular batch, I added cinnamon, although that is not a typical ingredient. You usually just use cardamom for your flavoring. I also used powdered milk, although you could replace the water with just whole milk and do away with the powdered milk. I made my dough in the morning, and I actually didn't get a chance to make these until the night, so you can leave it to rest until it doubles in size or until you can make it. This is actually how it's made in Yemen. It's a popular breakfast item, and usually you make your dough at night and you start making these in the morning. Once your dough has doubled in size and you are ready to make these, you split your dough into big balls or small balls depending on how you want to work this out. I like to make larger ones just because I don't like to spend a lot of time rolling out dough. I roll it out into a thin sheet. Unlike donuts, this is not going to be thick, this is thin because you want it to be airy, fluffy, and crunchy. You cut them to however shape you like. I wanted to show you that you can do them in small circles if you want it, but my favorite way of doing it is to cut them with a knife or a pizza cutter. If you don't have a pizza cutter and you use your knife, just know that once you cut things with it against the counter, it will dull out, so you'll have to sharpen your knife after you do this. Deep fry these little bad boys in your favorite frying oil and enjoy. I like to have mine with Nutella in the morning with my chai latte or with my coffee. They're light and everyone in the family loves them. These are egg free, so they're friendly for those with egg allergies like my babies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post my next videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.